Okay, before we bring on Kathara Canada, Bonnie and me would like to each read one of our poems. So, I will start off with the Song of the River. Through the great land which we call home, flows pristine river of silver current and foam, emerald rainforest, loden jade, under majestic mountains of multiple shade. A glistening carpet of mica shimmers in the brilliant light, glacial pure, cold as ice, a sensory delight. The rush of the hypnotic water lulls me into a dream where the dark river welcomes stream. Water cascades ever flowing, time passes by, all knowing. Hope floats on borrowed dreams, muddy river bellows whispered screams. Mother Earth's heart-wrenching sigh, the song of the river is her cry. Gushing from the womb of Gaia torn, with a rush and a roar, the mighty Fraser was born. Thank you. The lovely Bonnie Kwan Simons reading her poem about springtime.
Thank you, Janet. This poem is called Signs of Spring. In Calgary, flowers rarely bloom until June. During my visit this March of ice-glazed sidewalks, lanes, brown lawns, hard, crusty snow remained. Fresh snow blanketed my parents' lawn driveway. More snow fell even into May. In Vancouver, I have seen pansies this February, daffodils, crocuses, tulips. Cherry trees' blossoms appear in March, April. Roses bud, rhododendrons bloom each May. Lavender fills the traffic calming circles. Hydrangeas frame benches' backs. Purple wisteria with their vanilla scent. Drink a trellis, shade 3 benches at Regent College, UBC.